I'm gonna be showing you how we went from this to this. Now make sure you stay till the end of this video because I have a special promo code for you, and we're gonna have a conversation with the homeowner about his experience. So whether you're a do-it-yourselfer or a homeowner looking to get this done, I'm Eamon with Cushing Paver Sealing, and we do this on a daily basis. Now, not only are we doing the driveway today, we are also doing the pool deck. Well, this will be really cool because you'll see the ins and outs and the precautions that we take when it comes to sealing this deck. Now, these pavers have a few eyesores, all right? So we're gonna be tackling things like this today, some stains, iron stains, rust. We got different types of acid and degreasers to tackle these. So it'll be really cool. You can see the process on this today too. If you don't put an algicide down before pressure washing, it's kind of like taking a shower without any soap. There's a lot that's still stuck in there. Mold is microscopic, so if I miss a little bit because I didn't put a chemical down, that's all gonna be trapped underneath the sealer. So this step is actually very important. So I'm gonna go around and spray all of the pavers with the algicide, let that work for the next 30 minutes, and I'm gonna start pressure washing. So we've just treated this area here with the rust stain with our commercial grade acid. I put that on there, let it sit for about 20 seconds and pressure washed it off. And look at that difference, it's pretty crazy. So we're gonna go around and get all the other spots as well with the different cleaners that we have. Now, sealing a paver pool deck can be a little bit difficult. We have a few things to worry about here. We have screens around the whole deck. We got to worry about the coping. We don't want to get sealer in the pool, sliding glass doors. There's a lot we want to watch out for. So I'm going to show you how we go about sealing a pool deck. Firstly, when you're cleaning a pool deck, we gotta be real careful not to get dirt in the pool. We wanna make sure we keep as much out as possible. And then when it comes to sealing, we wanna use a shield around all of the screens and the sliding glass doors so no overspray gets on things we don't want it to get on. And then when we're applying the sealer around the coping, we want to roll that on to minimize the amount of sealer going into the pool as much as possible.
Hi, I'm Edward with Cushing Paver Ceiling, and I'm here with Stefan, the homeowner. And Stefan, how would you say your experience has been kind of being a concerned homeowner, watching us do our process and go through everything?
I would say amazing. I would say I've been lucky to find you because I think the job that you've done is like quality is top notch.
Thank you.
I've watched the video online and watching you do the job convinced me that I needed to call you and I have no regrets. It's amazing. Very
Excellent.
happy.
Well, guys, it was a long day, but a successful day. We got everything sealed, and like I promised in the beginning, we do have a promo code, and that is going to be Cushing 2024, and that's going to get you 10% off of your job. So give us a call at 941-344-3701. It'll be me who answers personally. We'll come out and give you a quote, and we hope to meet you and get a job done with you. We'll see you soon.